The next method is insert method. Insert method is just similar to the append method, but the main difference is that inside the insert method we can give the index position of the item, or we can say that where we want to add the item inside the existing list. So now I'm going to create a list which is the same list. So here we have some item inside the list, and now I'm going to insert some item here. So insert insert, and now I'm going to put the index value. So at the index value of 2 I want to add some item. So here hello, and now I'm going to print the updated value which is a. So here we get the result which is the updated result. Here we can see hello is at the index position of 2 and the 23 is shifted to the index position of 3. So this is all about insert method.